Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to look at an Evolution 3. This applies also to the Evolution 4. We're going to see what it looks like when we have a motor connected backwards. So the worst case scenario is obviously if the X's are going in different directions. So that's what I've got connected here. So let's go ahead and click home and see what it looks like. Our Z is going fine, but one's trying to go this way, one's trying to go that way. You can see that it can't get those, so it's just going to jerk around. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug the power. So what causes this? One of the stepper motors is going the wrong direction. Could be in your firmware. So what you want to do is type in the $RST equals $, and press enter, and that will fix that. However, in the majority of the cases, it's going to be because you only have 3 pins connected on one of your X's, or the X pin, or one of them, the connector is flipped upside down. So on the Evolution 3 and the Evolution 4, all of the stepper motor connectors are blue wired to the top, except for the X. The X is red wired to the top. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure my power is unplugged first, and then I'm going to go ahead and change my stepper motor connection and make sure that on this case, where the X1 I had backwards, I'll make the X wire X1 up to the top, and we'll go ahead and plug it in and see what happens when we hit home. So now our Z again is fine, and now, oh look, they're working together. And this is what the machine should look like when it homes. So definitely make sure that all your wires are connected correctly, and if you need to, reset your firmware. Thanks for watching.